This Mini Cooper runs 2 engines, and it's completely unhinged. Rallycross driver Liam Doran decided one motor wasn't enough, so he crammed in 2 1,300 cubic centimeters Suzuki Hayabusa engines. They're linked by a custom crankshaft, essentially creating a V8 that screams to 10,000 revolutions per minute. The setup produces over 700 horsepower in a car that weighs less than most household fridges. To survive that madness, the chassis is fully reinforced, wearing massive wide-body fenders, rear-mounted radiators, and a race-spec suspension built for extreme grip. The car wheelies, drifts, and shoots flames on demand. And somehow, this isn't even his wildest project yet. It looks insane, sounds terrifying, and redefines what Mini means.